Hey people, so there is this new app called Watcho. Watcho that you can, you can download and it's like, they say that's what for a whole year it is $300, the kind of, membership. But otherwise also you can watch these episodes that are, there's this one particular series called Dark Destination. So it's all about this one person who the host of the show who goes to these haunted locations in India and does this, it is does this whole 20 minute or 22-minute long, the episode is. So he does this whole investigation, but it is eerie. It is not scary, but it is eerie. So try and watch it, people. This new app, Watcho, because there is this other show called It's My Pleasure. It's all about this, this guy who's setting up his own, um, whatever, sex toy business or whatever. So it is quite interesting. I mean, you notice of late there's been a very there are lots of these heavily into the three-letter word sex type of shows, so it everything depends on if you like that genre. But I like this Dark Destinations because it'll there'll be a chill running down your spine. So it's got the right degree of information, and it'll get you scared. So it's already more than 1 minute long video. On that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.